Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Come on in, have a seat, relax, and enjoy. Today's video is going to be a bit different than usual, but it's still a side gig video, so you might find it informative. Stick around and check it out. So today I'm going to be talking about Fiverr, and before I get into what I do on Fiverr, first of all, what is Fiverr? Fiverr is an online marketplace where people can buy and sell services. So for example, if you want to make an amazing video but you're not amazing at video editing, you can go on Fiverr and hire somebody that is fantastic at video editing, and you can make some amazing content and put it up. The person that's editing the video can charge anywhere from $5 to $500, so there's really no limit to how much they can charge or how much you choose to buy for. You just find an amazing person at an amazing price and they can create fantastic content for you. So today I'm going to be talking about me getting into Fiverr, both buying and selling, and what my gig is. So let's dive right in. If you like this video, definitely hit that thumbs up button. If you do anything on Fiverr, let me know in the comment section and mention your account on Fiverr. That way you can get attention. I'm trying to help everybody grow here. So without further ado, let's go. What do I do on Fiverr? So over the past 2 or so years, I've been creating content, and it's been mostly gaming content. But over the past 2 months or so, I've transitioned into side gigs, so side hustles like DoorDash, like YouTube, like investing in stocks. I haven't talked that much about that on this channel, but I do that from time to time. And now I'm moving on to Fiverr. So I've been creating a lot of content for the past 2 years, and I've really honed in on the art of making a thumbnail. To be honest, I get quite lazy from time to time and don't put an amazing thumbnail on my videos, but I do know how to make quality thumbnails. If you look at the past 3 videos I posted, I put some effort into those thumbnails and they look really professional. But anyways, I'm selling thumbnails on Fiverr for the people that are new content creators and that aren't amazing at photo editing and thumbnail editing. I put the service of creating thumbnails on YouTube videos. So I ask people for their images they want on their thumbnails, the text they want on their thumbnails, the backgrounds they want on their thumbnails, and then I put that all together in a really nice fashion to create professional, amazing thumbnails for people. And I charge between $5 and $20 from my basic to my premium package. This way you guys can earn amazing videos. So whether you're a buyer or a seller on Fiverr, you can get some amazing quality stuff on Fiverr. You could sell amazing stuff like creating videos or editing thumbnails, digital marketing, anything you could think of. You could sell that service. People who want that service will pay money for it and they'll get a professional service for a good price. So I'm getting into Fiverr, and I have an affiliate link in the description below if you want to get into that as well. It's an amazing thing to earn a little bit of side money during your spare time. When you're not doing anything, you could do a little bit of Fiverr. And I like to do side hustles where I can earn a lot of money from side hustles. That way I have autonomy. I have the ability to do whatever I want, whenever I want. I'm not working a 9 to 5, and it's fantastic. So if you guys want to do something similar like that, or just want to earn a little bit of side money in your spare time, definitely subscribe to this channel. We have some amazing types of stuff you can do, from DoorDash, stock investing, to Fiverr, and you can even start a YouTube channel about something you actually enjoy and not do a job that you just have to go to earn money. But anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. My link to my Fiverr will be in the comment section below, so if you want to check that out, hit that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next one, and until then, have an amazing day.